Hi everyone, welcome back to S.M.V Channel Creations, your one-stop destination for fun, informative and exciting content. In this video, I will be sharing with you the top 5 washing machines under 15,000 Indian rupees that deliver excellent performance. And yes, the links for all these products are available in the description and comment section below. Please check them out after watching the video. Number 1. Brand LG. Capacity 7 kilograms. Color middle black. Dimensions 56 to 54 width, 88.5 height in centimeters. Special features: inverter, auto restart, child lock, LED display. Cycle options: pre-wash, tub clean, quick wash, normal, rinse. Warranty: product 1 year, motor 10 years. LG brings both smart looks and smart features. Ideal for modern home. Number 2. Brand Whirlpool. Capacity 7 kilograms. Color gray. Dimensions 58 to 55 width, 85 height in centimeters. Special features: Spiro wash technology, 6 sense, hard water wash, aqua store. Cycle options: 12 wash programs including eco, heavy, delicates, bedsheets and more. Warranty: product 1 year, motor 10 years. With advanced tech and multiple wash modes, this one's a value for money option. Number 3. Brand Godrej. Dimensions 56.5 to 56.5 width, 93.2 height in centimeters. Capacity 7 kilograms. Color graphite gray. Special features: cycle and buzzer, zero pressure tech, LED display, fabric safe drum. Cycle options: auto, spin, regular, strong, rinse. Warranty: product 1 year, motor 10 years. A sturdy choice with reliable features and tech from an Indian brand. Number 4. Brand Samsung. Capacity 7 kilograms. Color imperial silver. Dimensions 54 to 56.8 width, 92.6 height in centimeters. Special features: inverter technology. Cycle options: bedsheet, tub clean, delicates, quick wash, normal. Warranty 2 years. A stylish and durable machine from Samsung, perfect for small families with energy efficient performance. Number 5. Brand Panasonic. Dimensions 58.5 to 52.5 width, 91 height in centimeters. Capacity 7 kilograms. Finish glossy. Special features: 12 wash programs, dynamic spin, 5-star rated, best-in-class efficiency. Warranty: product 2 years, motor 10 years. Energy efficient and powerful, this one's perfect for long-term use. For more details and the latest prices, make sure to check the product links in the description and comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to S.M.V Channel Creations and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. I will be back soon with more exciting and informative content. Until then, take care and happy shopping.